Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to start with a new lesson, ruling the countryside. So we saw that the Britishers invaded India. They started to rule in the major cities. But what about the countryside? What about villages? Let's find out. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the following. So how the company, the East India Company becomes the Diwan, the head of everything. Revenue for the company, where did the revenue, their income came from? What was the need for improving agriculture? As we know that agriculture and farming was the leading industry and major source of income at that time. What was the need to improve it? The problem, what were the challenges in that process? The new system is revealed. So how was the new system established and what were the challenges faced by that? Then we'll see what is the Monroe system. What was the Monroe system and how it came into force? All was not well. Of course, with every system there is a challenge. So what were the things which were not going well? Then we'll see the crops for Europe. What were the crops in the agriculture sector that were grown specifically for Europeans? Does the color have a history? The color of the crops, we'll see what it is. Why the demand for Indian indigo? Why was there demand for Indian indigo? So we'll see what is indigo and why there was a very high demand for it. Britain turns to India. What was the inclination of Britishers towards India and why was that? How was indigo cultivated? We'll see the process of cultivation of indigo. The problem with nij cultivation. So apart from indigo cultivation, there was also nij cultivation, and what was the problem with that? Then we'll see indigo on the land of riots. So we'll see how was the indigo, it resulted in riots. How was indigo produced? The whole process of production of indigo. Then the Blue Rebellion and after. What was the Blue Rebellion and what was the aftermath of it? We'll see that. So let's begin. So the first introduction that we have is of a battle of Buxar. Now Buxar was a place and there was a battle in Buxar which is known as the Battle of Buxar. As you can see here, here is an image. There we have the note Hindustan. We still call India Hindustan. Now Bharat, but Hindustan. So Hindustan came to be known as the land of Hindus. So here you can see that there is a queen and she has been paid by small farmers who are wearing very less clothes. So what was it about? What do you think about this image? What do you observe here? Can you relate it? Now, Robert Clive, there was a person called as Robert Clive. He was accepting the Diwani of Bengal, Bihar, Orissa from the Mughal rule in 1765. So what was Diwani? How did he accept Diwani? We'll see that.